Hi Trietsch family, I'm Karen, and I want to take a moment to thank you for your tremendous generosity for the ministries here at Trietsch. And I'd like to talk to you about one that's especially near and dear to my heart, and that's the choir. Our choir is made up of people from 16 years old and beyond. We rehearse every Wednesday night at 7 p.m. and sing in the 11 a.m. worship service. It's a fun, vibrant group to be a part of, and you are welcome to join us. There's a misconception that perhaps you need to know how to read music, but we can help you with that. And there's really a lot of strength in numbers, so when we come together, those who haven't been singing for a while are aided by those who've been singing for a long time. So the way I've learned Scripture and the disciples and the books of the Bible is all through music. So it nurtures our soul, it uplifts our spirits, and we would love to have you come and participate with our fantastic choir. To support choir and all the ministries of Trietsch, please scan the QR code, go to tmumc.org/give, or text the letters TMUMC to 45777.